Hello students, I am Bhagyashri, your social teacher. Today we are going to practice again the chapter name called Our Kitchen of 3rd Standard. Yes students, I hope you are reading at your home. So let's start. Fill in the blanks. First, all living beings need dash. First, all living beings need food. Yes, we all required food. Without food we cannot survive. Yes, in our earlier classes we studied that there are 4 types of basic needs that every human is needed. Can you recall it? First, food. Second, water. Third, air. Fourth, shelter. Yes, these are all the 4 basic needs that every human being is needed. Yes students, the second one, uncooked food is also called as dash food. The food which is uncooked, what it is called? Uncooked food is also called as raw food. Yes, the food which we can eat without cooking it. Yes, can you give some examples? Yes, the fruits, like example, apple. Yes, apple. Banana, which we can eat raw. Yes students, so not only the fruits, there are different kinds of foods are there which we can eat without cooking. So those food are called raw food. Third, dash is used as a fuel in firewood stove. Yes, in firewood stove, what is used as a fuel? Wood is used as fuel in firewood stove. Fourth, people of different places have different dash. People of different places have different food habits. Yes students, do you agree? In our earlier classes we studied that. Yes, for example, in here in Gulbarga, what we are having the food habit is same as what the people who will be living in other state or in other town. No, yes, it may be different. So people of different places have different food habits. Fifth, electricity is used as fuel in dash stove. Electricity is used as fuel in electric stove. Match the following. So let us see, match the following. Okay, here which one is gas? The first one, what it is? Firewood stove. What its fuel? Its fuel is wood. Second one, yes, it is the stove. What its fuel? It is a charcoal stove. So its fuel is charcoal. Next, the third one. Third one, what it is? It is a gas. Its fuel is gas. Yes, its fuel is gas. Next, what it is? It is a electric stove. So then its fuel will be electricity. Good. Next, it is kerosene stove. So then its fuel is kerosene. Next, the sixth one, what it is? It is a solar stove. What it will be? Fuel will be solar. Yes students, so I hope you understood. Next we will move to next one. Answer the following questions. First one, write 5 things used for cooking food in house. Yes, in our houses we will be using the many kinds of things. Yes, so here I listed the 5. Yes, you will be knowing the more than 5. So what you know, you just write it. Answer 1. Cooker. Yes, we will be using the cooker. Second, steel vessels in which we can cook food. Vegetable cutter through which we can cut the vegetables. Fourth, gas stove on which we can cook food. Fifth, chapati roller. We can make the chapatis, parathas on it. Write 5 things used for cooking food in house. Answer: first, cooker. Second, steel vessel. Third, vegetable cutter. Fourth, gas stove. Fifth, chapati roller. Second, define raw food. Yes, what do you mean by raw food? Raw food is nothing but the uncooked food. So answer: raw food is a food which can be eaten without cooking. Yes, the food which we can eat without cooking it. So which can be eaten without cooking. That food is called raw food. Third, name 5 food items. Yes, name 5 raw food items. So answer: raw food items are, first one is fruits. Yes, the all kinds of fruits. Yes, name some fruit names. Yes, orange, pineapple, banana, grapes. Yes, these all are the fruits which we will be eat raw. So those are called raw food. Second, nuts. Yes, nuts. For example, cashews. Yes, those nuts we will eat. Yes, like in Kannada we'll be calling it as badami, godambi, drakshi. Yes, in English we'll be calling it as cashews. Yes, almond. So those are called nuts. Third, cucumber. What it is? Cucumber is a vegetable. Yes, so we will be eating it as salad. Yes, in salads we will be eating it as raw. Cucumber, onion. Yes, broccoli. Yes, you might have saw the broccoli which is green in color. Yes, it look like cabbage. So like that we will be eating it raw. Fourth, sprouts. Yes, sprouts. Fifth, carrot, radish. So these are the 5 raw food items which we can eat without cooking. Yes, there are many other raw foods are there. So write it down which you know in your notebook. 4. Write the names of fuel used for cooking food. Yes, there are different kinds of fuel we will be using to cook a food. Answer: firewood, cow dung cakes, kerosene, electricity, gas, charcoal are the important fuels used for cooking. Yes, these all are the different kinds of fuel which we will be using to cook a food. In your earlier classes also you studied, and you saw in your home there will be different kinds of fuels are used. So write the names of fuel used for cooking food. Answer: firewood, cow dung cakes, kerosene, electricity, gas, charcoal are the important fuels used for cooking. Fifth, write different kinds of stove used at home for cooking food. See students, fuel is different from stove. Fuel is the one which we will use in stove. Yes. So different kinds of stove used at home for cooking food. Answer is firewood stove. Yes, in firewood stove, what is the fuel? Wood. Second, gas. Yes, in gas stove, gas is the fuel. Third, kerosene stove. Kerosene is the fuel in kerosene stove. Fourth, electric stove. Electricity is a fuel in electric stove. Fifth is solar. Yes, how we will be getting it? Yes, the solar stove will be run through its fuel is solar energy. Yes, write the different kinds of stove used at home for cooking food. First, firewood stove. Second, gas stove. Third, kerosene stove. Fourth, electric stove. Fifth, solar. Next, students, here in this slide you can see, yes, it in your reader it is there. So just open this part. Yes, open this page. Here brother, what the brother is doing? He cut the lemon. Sister brought sugar and water. I, what will do? Remove seeds from lemon, squeeze it and collected juice in bowl. Yes, remove seeds from lemon, squeeze it and collected juice in bowl. BOWL, bowl. Second, preparing hot chapatis. I brought the platter. PLATTER, platter for kneading flour. KNEADING, kneading flour. Brought the platter for kneading flour. Platter is nothing but the big plate, which will be calling it in Kannada as parat. Father kneads the flour and makes dough balls. Mother rolls the dough balls into chapati. Sister cooked the chapati on the pan. All of us, what will do? Idiots, what they did are the chapatis, ate the chapatis together. Third one, cooking rice. Grandpa put the rice in a bowl. I cleaned the rice twice in a bowl. Cleaned, CLEANED, cleaned the rice twice in a bowl. Sister mix water to the rice, put the vessel on the stove and prepared rice. Students, do read well at your home. I hope you understood. Thank you.